Hi, how are, what's your name?
Hi, my name is Shahzad, and what's your name?
My name is Riday. So, where are you calling from?
I'm from Uzbekistan.
Okay, okay, okay.
And
Okay,
what
so
about you?
actually, I am from India. Okay, I am from India. So, what do you do?
I'm a high school student, and currently I'm studying at school, and I graduate this year.
Okay, 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 okay. So, how many members are there in your family?
My family consists of five members: my mother, my father, my brother, and my sister, and me.
Okay, you are from Uzbekistan. Am I right?
No, no, Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan. Okay, 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 okay. This is a Muslim country. Am I right?
Yeah, yeah, you're right.
Okay, okay. So, friends, so what do you want to become? Are you studying right now? So, what do you want to become? Means, what do you want to in future?
Okay. Currently I am studying for math and English. So my ambition for future is being a diplomat in the future. If everything is okay.
Okay, 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 okay. So, you have a one brother or one sister. Am I right?
Yes, yes, you're right.
So, okay. So, they are a student or doing any others things. Means,
Yes, my brother is a student in Tattoo University, and
okay.
my sister, my little sister is a school student.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so what's your hobby?
Uh, well, uh, I'm quite a big fan of playing tennis with my friends whenever I get a chance. And if I don't do this activity, I just wander or hang out with my friends.
Okay, 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 okay. So, are you like reading book? Reading book?
Okay, yeah, and definitely. Uh, mm, Whenever I get a chance, I read books in various types. About various things, especially last week I read about animals, and this was really interesting.
Okay, 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 okay. So, do you watch movies?
Not actually, because watching movies isn't my cup of tea, but when I'm alone at home, or when I'm get bored, once a week, I watch movies, but I don't watch them from the end, from the how can I say?
Okay, okay. So, what kind of movie are you like? Like this, loving history and action movies and dramas and horror movies. What kind of movies do you like?
When it comes to types of movies, I'm really into watching some science fiction movies.
Okay, 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 okay. So, what is the time right now there?
It's 9:41 p.m.
Okay, it means quarter to 10. Quarter to 10. Okay. So, okay. Have you had have you had your dinner? Means, do you
Yes,
have your dinner?
yes, I have.
So what was for your dinner? So what
Well,
did you cook?
actually, uh, I'm sure you don't know about this food. It's called
It's called. What is the name this food?
it's called palav.
Okay, so okay. So what ingredients use this food? What ingredients?
Well, its main ingredient is meat and rice.
Okay. Do you know biryani? Do you know biryani?
No, I don't know.
Okay. It's a Indian famous food. Okay. Oh, okay. So actually, I asked you one main question. Means uh, why? What do you do by learning English? Means why are you learning English?
Right now, I'm learning English because I'm studying for IELTS, if you know, and
Yeah.
after 4 days, I have a test uh, for this exam.
Okay. So when you are learning English, uh, when do you learn English? So what do you do? What do you do for learning English every day? Means step by step, by on by.
Okay, actually, I finished learning grammatic structures of English uh, about 5 months ago, and right now I'm studying for only IELTS. I mean, it consists of four different types of tasks, which is and their name are listening, reading, writing, and speaking.
Okay. So do you read a newspaper? Do you read newspaper every day?
No, actually, once in a month, I read I maybe read a newspaper because nowadays internet is really popular, and so if you want to know about something new, you can just search it online.
Okay, so tell me one thing. Um, it is necessary to speak in English grammar. Grammar is necessary to speak in English.
Okay, yeah, definitely. Grammar is the foundation of speaking because if you don't know grammatic structures of English
Yeah,
language,
you can't
you
make
can
sentence.
speak and
Make
you can
sentence.
talk to anybody, and also they may uh, you have some misunderstandings with your speaking partner.
Yeah. Means it means if you don't know means grammar, so you can't make sentence. Am I right?
Yes,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay. So uh, I asked last question. So this video is recorded. Okay. So uh, do you give me permission? So can I upload this video on YouTube?
Okay, yes, you may.
So do you have any problem?
No.
Okay. So thank you. Bye.
Please,
Okay.
hey,